Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to day 3 of 21 days to good hair, where today we have a superfood because I got to know that this ingredient not only works wonder as a hair pack but as a skin pack, and also is a super ingredient to eat. It's also used to scare people. Can you guess what this is? I am sure that some of you have guessed it, right? Yes, it's the good old pumpkin, which is our kaddu. And I'll be honest, I didn't know before all the research that I did that it was so good for our body, hair and skin. So the potassium, zinc and folate present in pumpkin helps in blood circulation. So when you apply it on your head, the entire blood circulation goes up to your head, and more blood circulation means more nutrition, which will eventually help in hair growth. And you have vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, which is great as a conditioner. So let's get started. We'll be making our pumpkin puree from scratch. So for that you need to de-seed, cut into smaller pieces and give it a good boil until it's soft. We'll be adding 2 spoons of curd, 2 spoons of honey and 2 spoons of coconut oil. These all can be of any brand. If you want to save time, you can also have a puree in form of a tin, which is available in the market. Well, as you can see, I am back after my hair wash, and wow guys, this pack, I mean, like I told you in my previous videos, I get maximum hair fall after I rinse during shampoo, and I'll be really honest, I mean, there was negligible hair fall during that, and even if you see the comb test, here you go, the hair fall is much less than I have experienced before. So there is this pack, this ingredient is a big thumbs up, also because it's a great deep conditioning mask. So because we have put coconut oil, honey, curd, so it makes it a super pack to nourish your hair, and you can do this once a week. Also, if there is leftover, you can apply this pack on your face. So for added glow, it's like an added recipe. Guys, don't forget to cover your head with a piece of cloth or a shower cap, because it's not only to take care of the mess, but also the heat generated while you cover your head helps to melt those ingredients inside your scalp and give you best results. So guys, that was day 3. I hope you guys try this ingredient and please share with me the results. I'll be so glad to read all your comments. Okay guys, this was great. I will see you soon for day 4. Until then, mwah. Bye guys.